All right, hey guys, hopefully you had a good chance to practice this question. I just want to go over it with you really quickly. So here was your data and your unemployment and inflation over 2 years. Really all you're doing on our next slide here is just plotting points. So I believe we had a 4% and an 8% unemployment, and I believe we had a 3% and a 6% inflation. So we go back and we look in 2013, we had 4% and unemployment and 6% inflation. So let's see, that was right here, and we could label that 13. And then in 2014, it was 8 and 3. Okay, right around there. 14, and then arm doesn't work at the moment, so let's try this. I'm going to miss. I'm putting a shadow on the board. I can't see anything. We'll make the point bigger. Bam, good. Close enough. All right, there is our short-run Phillips curve using that info. Now we go to the next slide. It says, assume the natural rate of unemployment in nation X is 4%. Draw a long-run Phillips. That's easy. Okay, we know that the LRPC is always vertical, and it always hits the x-axis at the natural rate of unemployment, which is what it told us. So handwriting's great today. And then it says, what is the expected rate of inflation in nation X at long-run equilibrium? Well, that's where those two curves intersect. Natural rate of unemployment there, and we already said that that was 6%. So remember, it's always the expected inflation where the LRPC and the SRPC intersect. And then lastly, it says, SRAS has gone right. Think of some reasons why it's gone right. Ready? Talk amongst yourselves. Go. All right, we're back. Why has it gone right? Falling nominal wages, lower commodity prices are typical supply shocks. We know if that happens, inflation rate's fallen, output's up, so unemployment's fallen. They've both fallen. Remember the clue I gave you. If SRAS goes right, SRPC goes in the opposite direction. We have to show lower inflation and lower unemployment. So we could call that SRPC1, and we're done. So hopefully you guys did okay with that. You're going to practice some more questions today. And whatever you don't get done is homework, but you guys should be able to finish in class. Work with a group if you need to, and we'll see you next time.